Welcome everyone. In this video, we're going to use ChatGPT to help write requirements, specifically acceptance criteria. So let's imagine you're on a team and you're developing some online shopping tool and you're using behavior-driven development, or BDD, which is a structure to help the developer understand from a user perspective how the software is supposed to function. And step one is to write our user story. So let's say we have a story here. Given a customer is logged into their account, when they add an item to their cart, then their shipping cost is automatically calculated. So as far as a prompt goes, this is pretty lean. We could use this, but the tool is going to work much better if we give it a little bit extra information to start off with. So let's say we want it, again, in BDD format. And we will add that to our prompt here. So I'll paste that in. So we want it to write 5 BDD acceptance criteria for the following story. I picked 5. You can pick 6 or 10 or however many you think you need. But we're going to use that same story. Given a customer is logged into their account, when they add an item to their cart, then their shipping cost is automatically calculated. So just click the button there and it will write it for us here. And there you have it. So we've got our start here, and this will work, kind of as a baseline. It's always important to proofread as you're going through. The tool is pretty good at grammar and setting it up in the way that you want it to go, but it's always valuable to give it a once over and kind of see how you like it. You can use this and take each of these different acceptance criteria and sort of edit those or tweak them in a way that gets you closer to what you want. But this is a pretty good place to start, at least. But we can do a little bit more. Like I said, the prompt is sort of an art, and the more we can give it, the better our information is going to be coming out the other side. So I've got another one. It's similar to the one that we just used, but this one you'll note a couple things. Here we're still getting the 5 BDD acceptance criteria, but I'm going to ask it to return Gherkin format, which some developers use, and so we can kind of pre-format it in a way that's going to be more useful on that side. And then I've specified that we want standard and expedited shipping costs to be automatically calculated. Say we have items that we want to get to our customers really fast, or we want our customers to be able to get those expedited and not just standard piece there. So we're going to add that in, and then we'll let the tool write our requirements here. All right, so you'll note the Gherkin format there. And it's done. So we can come down here, kind of scroll across. And see what you get. So from there, you can then copy the code to your clipboard and paste it into another tool, put it in an email, do whatever you want with it. But that is your 3-step process. So step 1, we wrote our user story. Step 2, we wrote it into a prompt format that would get us our BDD specific structure. And then in this one, we added the Gherkin piece, and we asked it to be a little bit more specific with our shipping. But that's the basic process for using ChatGPT to write your acceptance criteria on a user story. Thank you very much.